Hey, you guys and gals out there, this is Rockin' Rafi bringing you another episode of Rockin' Rafi's Home Cooking. You're headed to Disneyland, and what's on your mind? Exactly, that pineapple Dole float. Everyone loves that one. It's such a treat, especially in the summertime. Today, we're gonna make a pineapple Dole float. And the best part is, you can make this in your own kitchen. This is vegan and this only takes 4 ingredients. So what are we waiting for? Let's whip up some floats. What you're gonna need is frozen pineapple chunks, about 2.5 cups, a quarter cup of coconut milk, and the best part, some sweetener. You can use honey, you can use whatever liquid syrup you've got. I like the agave and the raw, the organic stuff. This stuff is really good. Let's pop on the lid, and we're ready to rock. And that's it. And check this out. You got a vortex, which is pretty awesome, is what you're looking for. Next thing we're gonna need is a cup, some pineapple juice, and that's all there is to it. You just made yourself an authentic Dole Whip float. Now for the ice cream part. This is really good. Make this at home on a hot summer day. This is going to be the talk of the town. Sorry, Mickey, but we're going to make it at home now. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Something simple, something quick, something easy you can make at home. Boom, just like that. And until next time, keep on rocking.